Hey everybody, welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. So, again, since it's our 1-year anniversary, we thought we'd, show you guys something special. So how about an abandoned prison camp? Yeah, we're in Rutland, Massachusetts at the Rutland prison camp. So as you can see over there, there's a tunnel. We will be arriving at that shortly. Oh, dude, there's the other building.
Huh, that's your building. Yeah.
And there's another building over there.
There you go.
Good. All right, where to start?
Tunnel.
All right.
Where's the tunnel lead to?
I don't know.
Help.
There's a sign over there, it looks like, too. This place is cool. There she is.
Make sure we're like alone in here.
Yeah.
Wow. This ain't sketchy at all.
Yeah, I know, right?
I'm more worried about the building collapsing than anything else. You still filming?
Yeah.
Wonder what this was. It's probably like a sleeping mess hall or something, or a sleeping
Maybe.
barracks, I don't know.
What?
I wonder how many people did it in here.
What, huts?
Yeah, that.
Ah, yes.